Welcome back to SV Just Dreaming and Newport, Rhode Island. This particular big brick building is called the Old Colonial House, built in the 1800s, and it was the original state capitol for the state of Rhode Island. Rhode Island is most famous for its contribution of the whole idea of religious freedom. And people would come here from Massachusetts who were being persecuted. Salem witch trials and all that stuff. So Rhode Island's important, and this was their Capitol building. We're going to go inside and check it out. It's where the judge would sit, huh? Yeah, right. Oh, that's beautiful. A beautiful building.
Let's go see some of the other.
The ammonia stays in the fabric, so now you'll see in the 18th century, and again sometimes today, long expanses of grass where the linens are put out to dry. They're not just drying; they're also being bleached by the sun. So that stale urine, the lye, all of these things, lemon water, even all of those elements. The goal is really to bleach the fabric without deteriorating it. So.
There's a lot of history in Newport, Rhode Island, but this tower is a real curiosity. Now, the archaeologists think that this was part of a windmill that was built in the 17th century. However, some of the dating and architecture and things like that suggest that it's actually much older than that. So it could be evidence of pre-Columbian influences from Europe to America, basically before Christopher Columbus discovered America. So it's possible this could be a Vikings construction or something like that. They're not 100% sure. So there it is. Let's just have a look at it. Now the bagpipe music is being provided by a wedding ceremony that's going on at a church right next to this park. And I thought it really adds something to what we're looking at. So some of the beautiful old homes that we saw, they were also backed up by a lot of mansions. Now, a lot of these mansions you can actually tour or pay to go through. I think that's how they maintain some of them. It's kind of a big summer thing to do. So pay to go through a mansion. This is the church that John F. Kennedy and Jacqueline Kennedy got married in. And we actually went to a presentation in the church. It's a Catholic church, and I just found it just a beautiful church. We actually were there for almost a month. I think we went to Mass every Sunday here, and it's just a stunning church. The stained glass, just a small piece of it got broke. It was like $8,000 to fix it. It was all made in Italy. Stunning all the way around. And here we are kneeling on the same kneelers that JFK and Jacqueline took their vows. So that was cool. The main reason we chose Newport was to restock. We needed water, food, many other things. So we actually talked a marina into allowing us to ship things into them from Amazon. So here's Gail hauling a load of product that we just picked up from the marina and going back to the boat. So we took about a month, got really restocked, enjoyed the cool air of Newport, Rhode Island in the summer. What a break this place was from New York and Washington, D.C. and the Chesapeake. Just so nice and cool to be up there and really enjoyed it. So with that, I hope you enjoyed our little video of Newport, Rhode Island.